Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. I want to give you a little hint here in working in App Inventor, something I don't think is well explained in the instructions, and that's like, how do we get these buttons to kind of lay out this way? All right, so how can we do that? So here I go. I've got a blank app here ready to go, and when we bring buttons over, like there's one, and I'll bring over a second one, and I can't get it to go to the right like in that picture I just showed you. They just sort of stack up there, vertically. So what we need to do is we need to come down here in the layout drawer, and there's a couple different options. There's horizontal arrangement and vertical arrangement. Those are two that I use a lot, but I'm going to use this horizontal arrangement. Let me just drop that in there. Now, it doesn't look like much at the moment. So I'm going to go over here to width and go to fill parent, and it'll just kind of fill that space there. And now I can bring in the button. So here's a button. Okay. And now I can bring in the next button, and I can bring in the third button that I have. Now, still, if I was to put that on the tablet, it would look about as bad as it looks there on the screen. And so, again, now, hey, you get a math credit for this course, so it's time to use some of that. And so what percentage should the button be? So, for example, button one, I'm going to come over here to width, and instead of automatic, instead of fill, I'm going to go to percent. And so about what it should be? Well, about 33 should get me pretty close. So 33, I'll click on the second one, go to 33 as well. Okay. And I'll grab that third button and do that one more time, 33. And that seems to fill that up. Now, texture button one, texture button two, texture button three, those are terrible names for a button. And so as you're working on your digital doodle app, like, how can we make that even easier to see? So there's background, maybe I'll make that red, and here maybe this is going to be a green button. So again, I'll make that bold and change the background to green. Maybe this is the take a picture. We can kind of, let me bold that as well. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. You can see how we can kind of put that together, but I was using the horizontal arrangement, and we can sort of stack those up in there. I could always add a second one, and again, kind of do the same thing, fill, and I could start to bring in some buttons, and and bring in a second row of buttons for some whatever reason you might. But that's kind of how we can do that using that horizontal arrangement. All right, guys, good luck. Look forward to seeing this digital doodle app that you are creating. I'll talk to you later. Bye.